Kere ripoti yengi nyati mutongeria kana munene wa minister ajandhigurune musale MUDAVADI nethiritwe agitongere gikaro na bomwe batongere kuma nthiguru ya Netherlands ili njira imwe gutigira ni bakurikithia ucore gatigati ka nthiguru ya Kenya na nthiguru ya Netherlands. Kiri mantu jamwe jaraja kwaragirwa kire muchamano jojo ni amwe na ucore biashara na Kenya gutagira mantu boigie ndawa cia mbogita gatigati ka nthiguru ici cio ijiri na nkuruki gutigira mantu zekizo karia nebo kuongereka na kurikithwa katigati ka nthiguru ya Kenya na nthiguru ya Netherlands.
We held in-depth discussions on ways of enhancing economic cooperation and shared ideas on new opportunities to elevate trade relations between our two countries. I am pleased to note that Dutch companies continue to have high preference to invest in Kenya, as demonstrated by over 90 Dutch investors accompanying His Majesty the King. There will be numerous activities during the visit for the business delegation to assess the opportunities for investing in Kenya and form important linkages with the Kenyan counterparts. You may wish to know that other than the visiting teams, there are 150 Dutch companies.
Your country is full of opportunity, driven by a dynamic young population that has the potential to play a transformative role in shaping Kenya's and Africa's growth in the years to come. It is important to tap into this potential, and it's important to listen to young people's concerns. The Netherlands is eager to work with you to promote sustainable trade and development, to tackle shared security challenges, to champion our common values on the global stage. And this is a partnership of opportunity, a partnership for prosperity, a partnership for our shared security, stability, a partnership for the future. So let's continue building this future together. Asanteni Sana, thank you very much.
The issue of drug trafficking, and we are not trying to say she's guilty or not guilty other than what we have as a record from the judicial process in Vietnam. So ours is not about a judgment, but working on that basis. If we want to also send a clear message as a country, we need to be careful that Kenyans who are stepping out into the diaspora do not fall into the trap of engaging in any illegal activities. It's absolutely important that this is taken. We want responsible Kenyans at home, and we equally want responsible Kenyans in the diaspora, in whatever country you are in. We have been at the forefront in promoting bilateral labor agreements, trade, also focusing on responsible mobility of labor and so forth. We've been talking to these things.
We share many similarities that make our partnership a natural fit. Both our countries are outward-looking, trade-oriented, driven by entrepreneurial spirit. We are both regional hubs in our parts of the world, Kenya in East Africa and the Netherlands in Europe. And we both value sustainability and innovation. Kenya is leading in renewable energy, while the Netherlands is known for its expertise in sustained agriculture and water management. And we both believe in multilateral cooperation, the rules-based international order, as the colleague already mentioned, respect for international law. And we actively contribute to peacekeeping, conflict resolution, and having a strong voice on issues like climate change and human rights.